Pretty good job. Okay, we're at Mint's Warehouse on Westheimer. We came out yesterday, cut the cast iron where it leaves the building, installed a 4-inch two-way cleanout, ran the jet away from the building. It ties in downstream of the sample well. Ran the jet in the building. The 4-inch line comes in, and then, okay, as you can see, we got bellies here. We do get flow out of the clean out in front. I am using a small camera, so the water is just above my camera. It's a 4-inch pipe. Oh, somebody just flushed next door to me. See the water moving. Again, somebody just flushed the toilet next to me. Coming out. Right here, we're transitioning to PVC. Am I clean out? Am I clean out? Could be. Go see if you see me. And right here is where we are turning to go out the building. Okay, like I said, see, right there is where, that's the turn. See?
Yeah.
Right where I'm getting ready to come out. Now, cast iron, look, PVC.
Yeah.
Now, PVC, turn, that's out there in the hallway. PVC, bone dry, pretty much bone dry. Let me get rid of this. Just flushed the toilet right next to our camera. Here's our water. So PVC, some toilet paper right there. Let's see if we go into it. Whoever put this PVC in didn't quite get it right. Now I'm going to let the toilet flush again. But the good thing is, now that we have another access towards this sanitary line. Oh, but the problem's going to be turning at that turn. Okay, flush the toilet again. There's the flow. There's my flow. PVC. Back. This is cast iron here. Coming straight back. Now we're coming straight back to the change rooms. Got a slight little belly here. And here's our toilet. Flush her one more time. There's my water coming in. There we go. It's coming out. Okay, there's your camera survey for Men's Warehouse. Again, somebody has done some previous work in here. We do have the access from outside in, so we'll be able to attack any stoppages from both directions. According to the manager that's been here 15 years, he said it happens about once every 3 months. Again, we do have pressure assist toilets in here that if they're not charged at the flush, you will not get a full flush, which constitutes a backup. So, there we go.